Hello beautiful people. Neem is often referred to as Indian lilac as it is endemic to the Indian subcontinent, but its medicinal virtues are recognized the world over. The therapeutic properties of neem leaves and oil have been utilized by ancient schools of medicine, particularly Ayurveda, to address a wide range of ailments. Hailing from the mahogany family of plants, neem is a drought-resistant and fast-growing tree that is cultivated all over the arid zones of Asia, Africa, and Central America. The oil extracted from the seed kernels of neem has emerged as a natural elixir for the treatment of various skin, hair, and overall health issues. The chief biologically active compound in neem oil is azadirachtin, which is one of the most potent naturally occurring pesticides. The bitter-tasting oil also contains triterpenoid compounds including nimbidin, nimbin, nimbinin, and tannin along with triglycerides, vitamin E, sterols, linoleic acid, healthy fatty acids, palmitic acid, stearic acid, and oleic acid. All these compounds contribute to the medicinal potential of neem oil in terms of its antibacterial, antiarthritic, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antimalarial, antitumor, antioxidant, and hepatoprotective properties. These are the best beauty benefits of neem oil. 1. Neem oil gets rid of dandruff. You might not have realized it before now, but neem oil is already found in many dandruff shampoos on store shelves. The oil is a natural antifungal, and dandruff is commonly caused by the yeast-like fungus Malassezia. How to use it? You can add a few drops of neem oil right into a handful of shampoo before working it into your scalp. 2. Neem oil encourages hair health and growth. If you're trying to keep your strands strong and long, neem oil can help. It's known for not only alleviating dryness and itchiness, but also for providing moisture so your hair looks super healthy year-round. But before let's go further, check the first link in the video description to buy best organic neem oil on Amazon. 3. Neem oil treats dry skin. Neem oil is filled with ingredients that benefit the skin, like vitamin E and essential fatty acids, which make it a great natural method to fight off dryness. Past research has found it can penetrate deeply into the skin, healing the cracks that occur from severe dryness and making sure all your moisture stays locked in. How to use it? Just like you would put neem oil into your shampoo to fight off dandruff, you can add a few drops into a handful of lotion before rubbing it into your skin to help with dryness. 4. Neem oil fights the appearance of wrinkles. Who knew neem oil could be such a prime wrinkle fighter? Research shows it can help stimulate collagen production and improve elasticity, helping your skin stay youthful as you age. Its high vitamin E content also helps prevent free radicals from harming your skin. How to use it? Massage a few drops into your skin, or mix it with coconut oil. Just be sure to do a patch test first to make sure it doesn't irritate your skin. 5. Neem oil treats acne. Because of neem oil's antibacterial properties, it makes for a great acne treatment. Not only can it help spot treat in the moment, but it's also been shown to be successful at fighting it off in the long term. How to use it? Taking a cotton swab and applying neem oil directly to your pimples. Let it do its magic overnight. It's drying and similar to tea tree oil, but more cooling. 6. Neem oil fades scars. The vitamin E in neem oil is also great at helping heal your skin, especially when it comes to scars. Research suggests neem oil helps reduce the appearance of scars. It's also been shown to help heal wounds and fade dark spots from acne. Basically, its skin healing properties are impressive. How to use it? Dab neem oil right onto your scars, just like you would with your zits, to help promote healing in the area. 7. It fights off foot fungus. If you struggle with athlete's foot, neem oil could be the solution that finally saves you from the pesky fungus. It's a natural anti-inflammatory and antiseptic, which makes it a perfect choice for those prone to athlete's foot, says Dendy Engelman, MD, a New York City-based dermatologist. It helps kill the fungus that causes athlete's foot. How to use it? Dr. Engelman recommends combining neem oil with karanja oil, which Provides additional conditioning to soften and smooth the feet. You can massage it right into your feet. To conclude, neem is one of the most celebrated medicinal plants that exhibit a versatile range of therapeutic properties. This crowning jewel of folk medicine is often referred to as the village pharmacy for its ability to address a number of common health issues. The oil extracted from neem kernels and leaves has also gained a lot of traction as a topical agent to promote healthy skin and hair. It works like a broad-spectrum natural tonic that can improve the quality, texture, and appearance of your skin and hair, minus the side effects associated with commercial cosmetics. Check the first link in the video description to buy best organic neem oil on Amazon. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.